Hello and welcome back to Sunset in Kuwait. In our series of learning Kuwaiti, this is podcast number 6, Verbs in Past Tense.
In the past tense, we will use the form of verb that's closer to the Arabic الفصحى. However, we will say the Kuwaiti form as well. So, أنا أكلت, أنا كليت. أنت أكلت, أنتي أكلتي, أنتوا أكلتوا, إحنا أكلنا, وهو أكل, هي أكلت, هم كلوا أو أكلوا.
And what would be an example for that?
أكلتوا البيتزا أمس. Did you eat the pizza yesterday?
Okay.
أو كليتوا. It's the same thing.
So usually they say أنا كليت in Kuwaiti. I ate, right?
Yeah.
But you can say أنا أكلت or أنا كليت. And if you use any of these conjugations, you will also be fine.
Yes.
For شرب.
أنا شربت. أنت شربت. أنتي شربتي. أنتوا شربتوا. إحنا شربنا. هو شرب. هي شربت. أو شربت. هم شربوا. أو شربوا.
So if you notice here, the root of the verb is still the same for all of them. And we've put for you on red what is different between each other.
Yes.
And as we go along, you will see that it's the same repetition of the conjugation.
Exactly. يعني هم شربوا الماء كله. They drink all of the
water.
Yeah.
هم
they must be thirsty.
هم شربوا الماء كله. All the water.
Yes.
Okay, for calling, we say اتصل. اتصل.
أنا اتصلت. أنت اتصلت. أنت اتصلتي. أنتوا اتصلتوا. إحنا اتصلنا. هو اتصل. هي اتصلت. هم اتصلوا.
And we have an example here. اتصلت على المطعم.
And by the way, if you wanted to put it in the form of question, you would say اتصلت على المطعم. That's it, simple.
The pronunciation, yes.
Yeah.
So bear in mind that اتصلت could be I for I, or it could be for you as a male.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
So the difference between the present and the past would be أنا أتصل. أنا اتصلت. أنت تتصل. أنت اتصلت. أنتي تتصلين. أنتي اتصلتي.
Okay. So if you want to go back to the conjugation of the present
and compare
to this one, you can do that as well. All right. Because we have the same verbs in the other video. So we wanted to give you something uniform. So to clean.
نظفت. أنا نظفت. أنت نظفت. أنتي نظفتي. أنتوا نظفتوا. إحنا نظفنا. هو نظف. هي نظفت. هم نظفوا.
And then the example says نظفتي البيت أمس. Did you clean the house yesterday?
Did you?
We don't want to be sexists here, so you should also do something. All right. So it is on a female form, but we don't mean anything bad for it. Okay, now we have the verb to cook. In the past.
أنا طبخت. أنت طبخت. أنتي طبختي. أنتوا طبختوا. إحنا طبخنا. هو طبخ. هي طبخت. هم طبخوا.
And then the question is شنو طبختوا اليوم? شنو طبختوا اليوم? That's a mouthful. What did you all cook today? Like so many people cooking in the kitchen. How did you
Yeah, and usually they also ask because when they talk about the house has cooked, like in a form of the woman that she present the whole house.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So when you actually ask that question, do you say it in a general form? Like sometimes we talk about ourselves in like a we form.
Yeah.
We did this, but it's actually one person.
Yes.
Okay, then قصر.
قصر is shorten.
Remember the kaf becomes g in Kuwaiti.
Yeah.
So قصر.
Yeah. So أنا قصرت. أنت قصرت. أنتي قصرتي. أنتوا قصرتوا. إحنا قصرنا. هو قصر. هي قصرت. هم قصروا.
And then the example is
قصر على التلفزيون. Like
Yeah.
reduce the volume.
it's to reduce,
Mhm.
right? Do you have any other example that we can use with the shortened version of it?
قصر الشورت شوية. If you have a short that is long kind of. Or قصر
البنطلون.
البنطلون.
Okay. So shorten, you can use either to reduce or to shorten the same word, which is قصر.
Mhm.
All right. Another verb. Okay, so now we will see the verb to cut.
قص.
قص.
Mhm.
And the conjugation is
أنا قصيت. أنت قصيت. أنتي قصيتي. أنتوا قصيتوا. إحنا قصينا. هو قص. هي قصت. هم قصوا.
and then we have the example to he cut the orange in the past.
Mhm. وهو قص البرتقالة.
قص.
Mhm.
Okay, remember.
Also there is قص, if I may interrupt you.
Yes.
So قص, we use it also. أنا قص عليك means I lied to you. قصيت
Yes.
عليه. I lied to him or I tricked him.
عليك.
Mhm.
عليك is on you,
Uh-huh.
right?
Mhm.
عليه with an H at the end.
On him.
On him.
Mhm. علي on me. عليك on you. عليهم on them.
Mm-hmm.
علينا on us.
So it's a very typical thing to say in Kuwaiti.
قصيت عليك.
it's like
Like I tricked you.
I tricked you
kids
in a
also
way.
they use it a lot.
Yes. Yeah. So after somebody tricks you,
Yeah.
you're probably gonna want to cry. How do you say that?
أنا بكيت. أنت بكيت. أنتي بكيتي. أنتوا بكيتوا. إحنا بكينا. هو بكى. هي بكت. هم بكوا.
Just be careful on how you pronounce this one.
Yeah.
All right? And so the example is
بكت على كل شيء. أو هي تبكي على كل شيء. لا.
no.
هي بكت على كل شيء.
She cried for
Oh,
everything. Yeah. All right? Okay. Just be careful on the pronunciation on that one. Okay.
Why do you do it?
Because bichait, I don't know what it can be. In English, could be something sounding a little bit weird.
Yeah.
So hopefully you don't have to say that somebody cried
Yeah.
for anything. The next one is to walk, and we say
أنا مشيت.
mhm,
أنت مشيت. أنتي مشيتي. أنتوا مشيتوا. إحنا مشينا. وهو مشى. هي مشت. هم مشوا.
and then we have the example here. أنا مشيت للحديقة.
Mhm.
Le is to or until,
Uh-huh.
right?
Uh-huh.
So sometimes you will find Kuwaiti saying لمتى till when.
Until when. Or أنا راح أنام لي أشبع, for example. I'll sleep until I'm satisfied.
All right. Next we have to dance.
رقص.
رقص.
أنا رقصت. أنت رقصت. أنتي رقصتي. أنتوا رقصتوا. إحنا رقصنا. وهو رقص. هي رقصت. هم رقصوا. هي رقصت في العرس.
هي
رقصت في العرس.
رقصت بالعرس.
She must be happy.
She danced at the wedding.
Exactly, yeah.
Well, that's it for this lesson. Please like,
Share.
and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye-bye.